Hi there, I'm Josh from Fine & Country here in Bideford, and welcome to Patmos, located in Limers Lane of Northam. Now this property is a spacious 4-bedroom detached family home offering plenty of off-road parking, and it sits on a great and generous plot with some views over the riverside. But enough of the outside, let's take a look around inside. Once inside, this home enjoys a reverse living layout, with the upper floor being a huge open plan space, enjoying space enough for a dining table, modern fitted kitchen, and a large lounge area here that you see. Now behind me, you do have some lovely dual aspect views over the riverside towards Instow and Wesley, but the home also features 2 patio doors that lead out onto an elevated sun terrace, where you can also enjoy some great morning sun and a spot for coffee. Now, the rear garden also, as I mentioned previously, is a huge plot where you do have an elevated decking area, so it's going to be great for entertaining, bringing friends and family over, and just being able to enjoy some peace and quiet. But if you would like to see more of this home, it will be coming onto the market shortly for a guide price of £800,000. So call us today on 01237 426 018.